US crude WTI traded bullish with the market open today and once again 81.2 levels giving it a very strong resistance. Remember these levels we have talked about several times. At the same time NG2 is trading comfortable above 2.1 and now close to 2.122 levels. What to expect today? Which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil WTI, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now, see, crude has given a gap up today, and after the giving a gap up, it is traded with a good rise and achieved 81.2. Also, remember this was a breakout which it attained after consolidating for a while. Now it is getting support here. See, till 80-40 it has got very good support, and hence till 80-40 levels do not consider this as bearish. Achieving those levels again it can try to bounce back, and on the upside 81.2 is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. That is very clear here. Now look at the stochastic is looking down here, trying to give slight bearishness. The MACD is still in green, trying to trade with divergence. RSI is almost flat here on the hourly charts, not indicating bullish or bearishness. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Most importantly, the resistance it has shown at 81 levels. See both the candles getting the resistance from the same levels, traded with a drop here. But also to note that till 80-40, 80-35 do not consider oil as bearish. Only below 80-40 I will recommend you to sell here. And then to the next support levels are very nearby at 79.8. The stochastic is near to overbought level. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. It is trying to give it a good crossover, and if it does, certainly it can try to show a rally here. RSI is looking down, trying to show slight bearishness, but it can reverse. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at the complete movement, you will find the oil is trading here in between. First 81.2 and then close to 82 levels, and this is a box in which it is trying to trade. And if you look at on the downside, the support here at 79.8, very strong. We have seen it multiple times in last few days, and the resistance here at 81.2 is strong. Beyond that, certainly 81.8, 82 levels are seen. Also, if you look at, see, this was the breakout after consolidating for multiple candles, and hence it can try to resume the bull run. It can try to continue with the bullish move. And stochastic looking upwards, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross. The RSI is trading very near to the top there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you can see 81.2, very good resistance. And see, the previous candles had longer tails on the downside. This means that price is trying to give it a full recovery. See, it has completed the journey, V-shaped recovery till 81.2, and any breakout on the upside certainly will bring the prices up. Then you can expect 81.8, and then beyond that, this time it is going to hit 82.6 levels also. The stochastic looking up, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is trading near to the highs there, near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at daily chart, the 20 period moving average has started to cross over. This is the exponential moving average crossover. Then the simple moving average have also started to look upward. This is a bullish sign here. Also, if you look at the charts here, see there is a slight gap on the daily chart. The next candle is something I will wait. Where it opens and where it closes is something I will be looking forward to. When if it you see oil trading above 81.2, certainly one can stay long, above which you can expect 81.5 and 81.8 levels at the next target, and beyond that 82.6, and beyond that sky is the limit. 84-85 levels will get achieved. Only sell entry today is at 80.35 levels. Below 80.35 you can stay short for 80.2, 79.8, and only if it breaks below 79.8 we can expect that it is going to trade bearish. So do not trade between 80.35 and 81.2 levels. See, the stochastic was overbought. It is looking down here. The MACD is in green. The RSI is also trading near to overbought levels. Considering this, trade as per the levels 80.35, 81.2. Do not take any trade. Now let's have a look at net gets. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts soon. Registrations are open. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart. See, there is a reversal sign there, and with that it is trying to trade bullish. If you look at last few candles, it is trying to get resistance here at 2.13 levels, and for that reason I will recommend you to buy at 2.14. If you see it trading above 2.14, you can buy. Expect 2.16, 2.2 levels as the next resistance. So you can buy and stay long about 2.14 levels only. The stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought. The MACD is taking or willing to cross over from lower levels, which means more bullishness may prevail. If it crosses over here, the has come out of the oversold levels and trading comfortable. If you look at 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Wait for it to break past 2.14 levels, and then we can expect further bullishness for 2.16, 2.22 levels, 2.2 levels rather. The stochastic looking up, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI near to bottom, and likewise on the 3-hour chart similar is the observation. Remember one fact, it has achieved lower lows in the previous candle and now trying to recover. 2.1 is an extreme strong support. Below 2.1 you can sell there again. Expect 2.06 and then 2.02 levels as a very good support. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge. And if you look at the RSI, this is almost trading at bottom. Now if you look at 4-hour, see on the 4-hour charts, remember one thing, that see net gas was trading with this bearish move. Now it is trying to form a base for itself so that it can launch any which ways, either this way or this way. So, but it is trying to create a base which is it is trading with a flat bottom. The support at 2.1 is very strong. The resistance at 2.25 is very strong, and hence you can buy at 2.14, but then expect a little resistance at 2.16, 2.2 and then 2.25 levels. The stochastic trading at bottom, the MACD again crossing over and trading with bearishness. RSI is also trading at bottom, trying to recover a bit. Now look at daily charts. Similarly on the daily charts, now see almost flat bottom there, and see the resistance there on the upside at 2.25, 2.3 is very strong. This is the 20 period moving average, but remember this is happening after the drop. I will look forward to see it is trying to consolidate. Once it breaks out beyond 2.3, it is going to give it a good rally. Hence one thing is clear, buy at 2.14, expect 2.16, 2.2 and 2.25 as a very good resistance. On the daily charts, stochastic is looking down, the MACD is trying to cross over for a buy, and RSI is trading at bottom. So yes, a sell entry below 2.1, but then also you can expect 2.06 as a very good support, and only below 2.06 you can expect 2.02 $2 levels to get breached, and then more bearishness may prevail there. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside. 2.25, 2.3 levels are the levels only above which it is going to be considered completely bullish. Till the time you have to trail your stop losses. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.